welcome to the channel. I'm Mithali and today's video is going to be my first ever stationery haul. I'm very excited for it. I hope that you are too. So let's just quickly dive into the video. So basically it's been a very long time since I did some proper stationery shopping, because many of you know that I was preparing for NEET since the last 2 years. So you know, it was all very boring. I didn't buy any kind of stationery stuff, and now finally college has started, and hopefully in a month or so I will be going to the hostel as well, to the campus as well. So I was very excited to buy some cool, cute new stationery. So these are a few things that I bought, and yeah, let's just quickly see them. So the first thing that I would like to show you is this Classmate notebook. It is from the Pulse range. So basically I really like spiral notebooks, because in the past 2 years I have used only spiral notebooks. I no longer like the normal ones. I really like these spiral notebooks, and the Pulse range is so nice. As you can see here, there is a insert selfie thing, and there is a pouch made here through which you can insert any picture of yours. Then this is the introduction page, and then the main lines start. This notebook has its division into a total of 6 subjects. So we have a lot of these kind of cute pages which do a demarcation between the subject, and also we have these last few pages like these and these. This page you can use for any kind of coloring and doodling stuff. So this is really cute. I ordered 4 of these Pulse range notebooks and I'm really in love with them. And I got these from Amazon, and this one is for 160. This is for 145. It comes in a bit of smaller size. This one is again for 160. And this is for 165. Moving ahead, I ordered this pack of pastel highlighters from Amazon as well. So these come for like $3.90. I know it's a bit expensive, but I was really tired of using those normal neon shades. I already have the neon highlighters, but I was really bored of using them. And these pastel colors, they really tempted me to buy them. So yes, I bought these. And yeah, let's see how do they work. Wow, I love the color. I really love the color. I'm really liking these pastel shades. So these are all the shades, and I must say I love all these. I really like the pastel range, and if you do like it, do let me know in the comment section. Next is this pack. So basically this is a pack. I got this also from Amazon. I will link it in the description so that you can find out the price, because I don't remember it. So basically I'm not at all satisfied with this, because honestly when I ordered it from Amazon, it was written there that there will be black sticky notes, which are here, but they wrote that there will be a neon pen coming, and this is a very normal silver pen that is very easily available, and I already had one silver pen. So yeah, this is a fail for me. इसीलिए मैंने अभी तक इसका पैकेट भी नहीं फेंका है, because this clearly shows a neon thing, but a silver pen came and I was highly dissatisfied. But yes, this is it. Next is this pack of pens. These are the Artline Udall fine pens in 0.4 mm, and these are a pack of 5 which have black, blue, red, green and purple shades, and these are really cute, and I really wanted a range of colorful pens, so I ordered these. Let's check these also, that how do they work. So these are all the 5 shades of this range. I think I like the green one the most. Do let me know which one do you will prefer the most in the comments. Next is this set. So this set I did not buy right now. I bought it a month back because I am a fan of mandala art. So I bought these for making mandalas. This is a set of 6 which comes in different sizes: 0.05, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.5 and 0.8 mm. And this I basically bought for mandalas only, but this range of pens really work good if you have to do text lining, if you have to highlight something and stuff like that while making notes. So this is something that really helps me and that really makes my notes very creative and colorful. So I really love this. So you can see these are all the 5 shades. This is the 0.05, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.5 and 0.8. Next is this normal pack of sticky notes, which I had to buy because there was a disaster with these black sticky notes. So I bought these in 3 neon colors and I really like these. These are in a bit smaller size, but anyway it does its job really well. Next are these brush pens from Camlin, which is a pack of 12 I think, and this is for 200. So basically brush pens we usually use for, you know, art and stuff, calligraphy and all such things. So I basically bought it for calligraphy only. I was learning calligraphy, so I bought this pack. But when I learned calligraphy, I found out that these pens really work very good, and they make, you know, if you have to put headings in your notes, you have to make them aesthetically colorful and all that stuff. So these pens are a must have because, you know, they make your notes really good and you feel like studying. At least I feel like studying, so I highly recommend this. Let me show you how do these brush pens work. This is it. This is how the brush pens work. Another pen is this. This is the Uniball 0.7 mm creamy white pen. So I bought this from a local store and it's been a long time. It was, I think, for 40 rupees around. You can also find this online. So this pen is really good because, for example, I have these black sticky notes. So this pen is creamy, obviously. So this works really well on dark sheets of paper. So if you have to write on dark sheets, this pen is really good and it is so smooth to write. I really love this one. Talking about another set of pens, तो I didn't buy much of normal pens. मैंने ज़्यादातर colourful pens और ये art line के ऐसे pens खरीदे हैं. But if I talk about my normal pens, so I bought these normally gel pens from Octane. Octane pens are obviously good. I don't have to tell about these to you. These are from Classmate, so they are really good. But I really like this range of Octane blue pens that they have recently started, which come in a neon body. These are really good and I really love them. This is how this creamy white pen works. Isn't that cute? I really like this creamy white pen. Next is this that I ordered a few days back only. So as you guys know that I will be leaving for my hostel in a month or so. So I really wanted to buy a calendar for my desk back there in my hostel, whatever that I will have. So I got this calendar, this desk calendar from happyvegan.com. I'll leave a link to it in the description. This is really pretty, really pretty. And it has a different quote written for each month. This has a notes wala area also where you can write whatever you want if you want to remember something or anything. And there are spaces here also along the dates, so you can write anything that you want to remember and stuff like that. And these doodles, I really love them. And the best part is this. there are lots and lots of stickers on this calendar which you can use. You can use these stickers and apply it here in the spaces. So there are really beautiful stickers, and that is the main reason why I got this one. I really love this. So yeah, this is it. And the next thing that I bought from Happy Vegan Only is this. So this is basically a planner. I was planning to buy a planner since a very long time, a literally very long time. And finally, so this comes in this kind of a very pretty packaging. And when we open it, we first get this. This is the 2021 Ultimate Planner. This is a, pocket planner sort of. It is really beautiful and cute at the same time. You can write your notes or whatever you want to remember or plan, anything in this. So this is really good. The next thing that comes is this paper and a note about 2020 from the maker of this planner. And finally, this is it. So this is the main planner that comes, and the things that I want to tell you guys about this is that this is the introduction page, the basic page. Then we have the personal data page where you can write whatever you want. Then the calendar page and the ideas page where you can mention all your ideas. And it has so many pages of stickers. Like, I really love this. I really love stickers. So yeah, this is a really good thing. Next is a letter from you to you. And then dear future me, a scribble note page. And then there's a budget page, there's a planning page, goals, steps to achieve your goals. And then we finally start with January. So when we start with January, there's a page for birthdays and all that stuff. And then there's a monthly habit tracker page, which you can use to track any of your habits, anything. You can track your monthly meal plan also here with this page. And then a shopping list, things to clean up or to organize. And then we finally start with January. Then there is this dated page where you can write about those specific dates, what happened, what did you do, or what are you planning to do, anything of that sort. And SAE, there is a thing for every month. So we go on to every month, and this is the thing that repeats for every month. And then lastly, there is a big back pocket here which you can use to store anything. And here is a bookmark as well which says relax and enjoy. So I really love all this. And the next and the final thing that I would like to share with you is this unicorn diary. So I started using this as a travel journal basically. So this is not something that I shopped for. A friend of mine gifted this to me, and it has these kind of ruled sheets. It has a sequin cover, so you can basically wipe and then wipe again. So I really like this. I am a big fan of cute stationery. If you too are, do let me know in the comment section. This was the part 1 of my stationery haul. I will try to make a lot more parts as and when I buy more stationery. A bit of my stationery is also on the way to be delivered. So as and when I get the delivery, I will make sure to tell you guys what did I buy and how is it. Do let me know in the comment section ki video kaisa laga. And all the product details will be mentioned in the description. A few of the links will also be mentioned in the description. For the stuff that I bought from Amazon, I will mention the links. Another thing, that nothing from this video is sponsored. I have bought all of it on my own because I really like this stuff and I'm a big fan of stationery. so I bought all this. If you have any kinds of video suggestions for me, please leave them in the comment section. Any kind of feedback is most heartily welcomed. Please leave that also in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to the channel. We are heading to 10K. Please subscribe. And I will see you again very soon on the channel with more fun content. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.